Picture this. You have been coding for 3 weeks. Your app is running perfectly. Then, you try something new. You break it. You panic. You desperately try to undo everything. But you cannot even remember what you changed. That is a nightmare every developer lives. Once. And only once. Because after that, they discover version control. Here is the reality of software development. You are never done. You are always changing things. Maybe you are adding a feature. Maybe you are trying 2 completely different approaches to the same problem. Maybe 5 teammates are all touching the same code base at the same time. Without a system to track these changes, chaos, pure chaos. That is exactly why we have version control, a system that records every change to your code. Like a time machine for your software. Every change recorded, every version saved. You can look back, you can go back. You are always in control, and the most powerful, most popular version control tool in the entire world. That is Git.
That was a nice video. To actually use Git, you need 3 things: a GitHub account, Git installed on your computer, and a handful of commands. And you can install Git from this link. To bring any folder under Git's watch, type this. That's only useful when you're starting a brand new local folder. Most of the time, though, you're joining a project that already exists. So I'd recommend cloning it straight from GitHub instead. Cloning is like making a copy of all the files and folders sitting on the server right onto your own computer. The command is git clone, and you'll find the clone URL right here on GitHub. Copy that URL, paste it after git clone in your terminal, and hit enter. Watch. The files start downloading straight into your local workspace. You can literally see them appear on your machine, folder by folder. Switch into that folder and straight away type git branch to check which branch you're currently on. First time round, you'll obviously be sitting on main. To create a new branch from main here, the command is git checkout -b followed by the branch name. That newly created branch becomes your own working copy, and now you can start editing the project files. Let's make a demo edit. Then come back and type git status to check which files have changed. Next, git add, followed by the file name or a dot to add everything, to stage them for commit. You can either type git status again to see which files are staged, then git commit with a message to actually save that change, and finally git push to send it up to the remote, your online repo on GitHub. Normally, git push just works on its own, but this is the very first time this branch has ever been pushed. Git doesn't know where to send it yet, so instead of guessing, it stops and hands you the exact fix: git push, setup stream, origin, and the branch name. Think of it like giving someone your address the first time you mail them something. After that, they know exactly where to send it. From here on, plain git push works every time on this branch. Once you've made your changes and tested them properly, the goal is to get them into main. And that's where GitHub comes in. You'll see the branch you just pushed sitting right there. Click pull request on it. That's you telling your team, I'm ready, review my changes. By default, it creates the pull request straight from your branch into main. Go ahead, add your reviewers, and now you wait. Once they review and approve it, that's when your changes actually merge into main. That was the basic workflow for making any changes to your main project. I've only walked you through the core process here, the installation link and a detailed guide to explore them and start practicing on your own project. Thank you for watching and stay connected.